Most cunts be para at giving, not RSO. No, RSO don't give a fuck, mate. You know what I mean? What do I care? Look, what can I do about it? It's happened. I'm stranded. I'm not gonna fucking enjoy it and smoke a banger, ain't I? Like, let's be honest about it. Event ain't finished for me. Listen to me very carefully. I'm in the place to be. I'm on the side of the A3. On my hands and knees, begging, please stop it. I think the goat would sail there, bro. Full sail. Put it on the side of the road. Would you like a goat? People are looking at it, wondering why it isn't that. See if I can get a beep. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah! Come back and buy the goat. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Come on. Get the bus. Get the bus. Get the bus. Beep, beep. Come on. Yeah! Come on. We're on it. Give me a... Can I get a...